Laura?
I think the answer to number 9 is
Negative 3?
and doesn't equal.
Okay, hold on a second. So let's go back.
But I can't.
I got negative 3 and 9. Because I
Okay,
didn't know
so
which one
I
was right.
canceled out my denominators, and I would have n, right, n, and this would have been minus 2n, a negative times a positive is a minus 6,
Yeah, but you added 6 to
equals a negative 3.
You added 6 and said it was 6.
It's
If I add 6 to both sides, all right, I should have, oh, what did I do here? I should have 3.
It should be a positive 3.
It should be a positive 3. Hold on. Why? What's happening to me? Okay, hold on.
What's going on?
Like in the back of the book it said no solution, but that doesn't make sense.
Okay, hold on. Is a, what did I say, positive 3? So I know that n should be a negative 3,
That's
right?
what I got.
Negative 3. Okay, so now, why can't it be, why is it not possible?
Because negative 3 plus undefined.
Oh,
'Cause-
I get it.
There you go. Okay? So when I had done it actually, I ended up with, my answer was wrong because I had done negative 6. So when I plugged it in, I said it was no solution because when I calculated it, 0 is not equal to negative 3. So that's why I said it was negative, no solution. But you're right, it would have been a negative, because it's a negative 3. Okay. Next question.
I just have a question
What?
about this problem. I multiplied it
On which
for
question?
number 9 to get the common denominator. I multiplied it by n plus 3, n plus 3, and I still got negative 3. Yeah.
Well, because it was not just on both sides, so then the next guessing happened.
Yeah.
But am I only supposed to multiply it by once?
Did you get rid of the denominator?
Yeah.
Okay, so you, say that again, what did you do?
I multiplied the entire equation by n plus 3,
Right.
n plus 3. I did it twice.
So you had n squared, and then you just, yeah, you can as long as you, whatever, I could multiply it by 100, right? Or whatever, as long as then I could simplify it somewhere along the line. You just added an extra step, okay? Did you need to have both of them? No, because n plus 3 was the least common denominator.
So say one denominator was n plus 3 and one was n plus 5.
Then I would have had to do both of them.
Then you multiply the entire thing by both. But if
Right.
you're saying you can just do it once.
Right.
Okay.
Yeah, because that is the least common denominator, n plus 3. Okay? How are we going with those calculators? Is it getting passed down?
This is not working.
This one is not working. Maybe your calculator. You've got a different model, maybe, or is it just because it's pink?
It's doing the same thing it did when you did the thing.
Okay.
Oh, it's because you're not pressing enter on one part of it.
Okay, so let's go on to the next one. Emily, are you okay if I move on to the next one?
Yeah.
Okay. Next question. That was 9. 14.
11.
11. You guys see that? All right. Cool. All right. So it looks like this can. I am. What do you think you're gonna do?
You can't factor.
You can what? Factor. Factor the numerator.
Yes.
You're gonna factor the numerator. And all right. Or can I multiply everything by 2y minus 1?
Yeah.
Okay, so I have 2y minus 1, and why am I multiplying by 2y minus 1?
Get that.
To get rid of my what? Denominator. I'm trying to get rid of the denominator. Okay, so I've gotten rid of the denominator, and what do I have? I have to multiply this out. So I multiply here. I have 6y squared plus 13y minus 8.
Give it over to the other house.
Okay, you with me? Okay? And then I have to multiply 2y squared plus 9 times 2y minus 1 and end up with 2y squared plus 18y minus 9. Yes, no? Is everybody up to, good up to that point? Okay. So then, what do you think I'm going to do?
The like terms.
What, I'm sorry, what?
Combine like terms.
Combine like terms. Okay, so I'm going to move things around. And what did I end up with? Did you end up with 4y squared minus 5y plus 1?
For what number?
This is 11. We're in the middle of the problem. Stephen, yes, no?
I'm just looking.
Okay. Okay, where are we in terms of the process? Do you have it? The program?
No.
Where did
Not
this,
yet.
It's not yet, it's happening, it's going up your row.
where did the add 18y
No.
go again? Sorry, I was doing my calculator.
Minus 18y, minus 18y.
Where did the 18y come from?
Where did it come from?
Yeah, because it wasn't in there.
Okay,
It was.
I multiplied here.
Oh, okay, I see.
Okay, you okay?
Yeah.
All right. Okay, so what am I going to do now? I have 4y squared minus, what is that, 55y plus 1? What do you think we should do?
Cube somewhere.
Me too.
Cubed?
I did too, but then I did it a different way.
Yeah, I ended up with,
4y cubed
4y
minus 8y
cubed,
squared
yeah.
plus 5y minus 1. Which I think,
that's if
what's
you
the
don't
answer?
factor the numerator.
Why equals 1/2, y equals 1.
No,
Wait a
oh
minute.
my God.
How did you get cubed if at the beginning you multiplied by the denominator because they cancel out and I just have 6y squared plus 13y minus 8?
No, I don't know.
What did you multiply to get
No,
that?
the other side.
The other side.
Yeah,
Because you have 2y squared plus 9 times 2y minus 1. Which is,
You're absolutely right. Boy, I am bad. I am so sorry.
which gives, you end up with a cube, and like, and I just don't know, I graphed it to find the answer, but.
All right, so it's 2y squared, so you're right. This is cubed. I'm sorry. All right, so let's stop right there. Excuse me, I'm sorry. I made an error here, and I really apologize because that really messes things up. Okay, so let's work from here.
Would it be 4y squared?
So I have 6y squared plus 13y minus 8 is equal to 2y
No,
cubed.
no, 4y cubed.
4y cubed. Jeez. It's 4y cubed. All right, 4y cubed.
Plus 18y minus 2y squared minus 9.
Are you done? Is everybody done with programming? Yes, no? Okay.
Because you multiply, because
Actually, you know what?
So the negative 1 times the 2y squared, your outside, like the outside, so you have 4 numbers that go.
Okay, can we just take your paper and use it since I have an error in mine?
Yeah, mine's on a page turn, but you can.
It's okay. Just bring, you don't have to rip it out.
What did you get?
Negative 1, but I graphed it, so I could have done that because someone else had it.
Huh. I ended up with a 1
And I'm 1/2.
well, I have an error in mine, so, yeah.
Because that's what it says in the back. That's what I was the answer. I don't know
One.
what I did wrong. 1.5. 1 and 1/2.
11.
Type up your essay.
Okay.
It's on a page turn.
Okay, can you, let's just, okay, so if we could all focus here and not have the chatter, I'm sorry I made an error, I would like to move on, so let's just focus on where we have, okay, so this is where my error was. I did 2y squared times 2y, and it should have been 4y cubed
Yeah.
plus 18y minus 2y squared minus 9. Okay, is everybody good with that? And this is what we have on the left.
Time for you to give one.
Okay, Michael, stop talking. Okay, so we're gonna turn the page and let's see what happens here.
I may have messed up somewhere. It's at the top. It's not-
Oh, I
it's
see,
not
so
at the
you
top.
ended up graphing this.
Yeah, which
Okay.
is where my error was.
and then on the, okay, and you graph that. For y, I'm wondering if we could have factored that. We could have taken out a common factor and done it that way as well.
What common factor?
Y.
Y's in there. No, because of the one.
I would have done-
I didn't know how to solve it from there, so.
No.
And the graph was kind of.
We could have done y squared, so 4 minus, that makes
What?
4y.
No, because you have
Hold
a.
on, 4y minus 8 plus, and then what do they have in common here is 1, 5y, no, I couldn't have factored that. I was thinking I might have been able to do that. No, that's you wouldn't have been able to factor that.
And I don't know, because we graphed it and we all got different answers graphing it, so.
Okay, well, I obviously did the problem wrong, so I'm going to have to redo it because I did a multiplication error. So can I come back to that so that we can do the rest of the problems, and then I can come back and do that with you tomorrow? Okay? So, the reason why I wanted you to have the formula is that it's very helpful in this next problem. Okay, so I will redo number 11 with you, for you tonight, and see if I can see the error myself and calculate it. Okay.